Now we are going to discuss some questions from the chapter Agriculture. First question, which are the two main cropping seasons in India? Mention their growing and harvesting period. Answer, Rabi crops are sown in the winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Kharif crops are sown in the onset of monsoon in different part of country and harvested in September to October. Next question, what is intensive subsistence farming? Write three features of intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming is practiced in area of high population pressure on land. In this type of farming, the agricultural production is increased by using high dose of biochemical inputs and better agricultural inputs. Features of intensive subsistence farming: HYV seeds and modern chemical inputs and irrigations are used to increase the production. The per hectare yield is very high. Then more than one crop is cultivated during a year. Next question, what are the climatic conditions required for the growth of rice? Rice is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius, high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. In the area of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. It grown in the plain of northern and northeastern India, coastal areas and deltatic region. Development of intense network of canal irrigation and tube well have made it possible to grow rice in the area of less rainfall such as Punjab and Haryana. Next question, which are the two major cotton producing states of North India? Describe four geographical conditions required for the growth of cotton. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are the two major cotton producing states of North India. Geographical conditions required for the growth of cotton: it grows well in their black soil, it requires high temperature, it requires light rainfall or irrigation, it requires 21 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. Next we are going to discuss some one-word question from this chapter. First question, by which other name is slash and burn agriculture known? Answer, primitive subsistence farming or Juming. Second question, in which country slash and burn agriculture is known as Roca? Answer, Brazil. Hoe, dough, dig, stick are associated with which type of farming? Primitive subsistence farming. Which is the leading coffee producer state in India? Karnataka. Next question, which crop is grown with the onset of monsoon and harvested in the month of September and October? Answer, kharif. Which crop is the major crop of Rabi? Answer, wheat. Name some Rabi crops: wheat, barley, grams, mustard, etc. Next question, name the two important wheat growing zones in India. Answer, Ganga Satluj plain in the northeast and black soil region of Deccan. In which system of agriculture a single crop is grown on large area? Answer, plantation agriculture. Name some plantation crops: tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. Which type of farming is intensive subsistence farming? It is labor intensive subsistence farming. Which two areas of India produce oranges mainly? That is Nagpur, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram region. Which country is largest producer of rice? Answer, China. Which crop is used both food and fodder? Maize. Which crop is known as golden fiber? Jute. Which state is the largest producer of raki? Karnataka. In which type of soil does maize grow well? Answer: old alluvial soil. Why are some pulses are known as leguminous plants? Pulses are leguminous crops. In these plants, the seeds are found inside the pod and root nodules have the capacity of nitrogen fixation in the soil.